Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to disable add friend button on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you want to disable your add friend button from your profile, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook app and here just go to the menu option in the bottom right, and here just tap on your profile to see your profile here. Just tap on three dots, and here you have to select for you as, and you can see that how other person can see your profile here. So here you can see that the persons have add friend button. Now we're going to disable that or get rid of it. Just go back, go to the menu option here. Now just tap on settings to the gear icon in the top right, and just scroll down and look for the option of how people can find you and contact you. So here you just have to select the option of who can send you friend requests. Just select that option. Now you have to select the minimum option from here. So here you have the option of friends of friends. So you just have to select the option. Just tap on save. So once you have saved, go back and here just go to the followers and public content, and you just have to select who can follow me, and you have to only select friends. If you have the public option or everyone option, so you must have to select only friends. So once you have done, go back, go to your profile again, just tap on three dots and then select view as. Now here you can see that whenever a person will open your profile, he will never get the option of add friend here. So in this way, you can easily disable add friend button, or you can easily get rid of add friend button from your Facebook profile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.